Thank you for purchasing the DXT Mouse 3. To get the best from your mouse, download the app at dxtmouse.com. All settings, functions and buttons can be easily configured to meet your needs. With the hand at rest, place the fingers lightly on the DXT. Cursor control is achieved by the hand and fingers lightly manipulating the mouse. Cursor speeds can be easily adjusted on the fly. Most basic mouse functions can be controlled using the left, right, scroll and middle click options. And it comes as standard with back and forward buttons. It can also easily switch between right and left hand use, which can be especially useful if you're recovering from an injury. And finally, the wireless dongle can be safely and conveniently stored in the base of the mouse. Find out more at dxtmouse.com.